G'day guys, Paul Belcher from Roberts Real Estate and welcome to my new listing at 47 Grist Street in beautiful New Norfolk. We've got magnificent rural views close to the town centre. We've got a 4-bedroom brick home, lovely large open plan living, 2 bathrooms, a 6x6 garage and an easy to maintain yard. Let's go in and take a look. If you've been looking for that perfect family home, look no further. We've got this great deck, 6x6 garage, lovely large open plan living, and we're less than 5 minutes away from everything New Norfolk has to offer. For more information or to book an inspection, please don't hesitate to call me. I'm available 7 days a week and I'm here.